What is up, guys? It is Michael, the sales manager here at Palm Harbor Homes in Victoria, and I have some exciting news. One of the most trusted brands in the manufactured home world, Fleetwood, is coming out with a brand new floor plan, the Ace. Guys, in a world where double wides, to find a nice one for less than $130 was impossible, Fleetwood has answered our prayers, and they're coming out with, again, the Ace, a 30 by 52, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,568 square feet, or less than $100,000. Guys, that is $64 a square foot. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime to get a beautiful double wide for less than 100 grand. Come by and see us, 1709 East Houston Highway, or give me a call, 361-742-4150. Come talk to any of our sales reps. They'd be more than happy to help you out. We'll see you soon.